How does your hypothalamus affect hypothyroidism? Let's talk about it. Thyroid conditions are fairly easy to diagnose. We can see from your TSH if your thyroid is producing enough hormone, but just measuring TSH is not enough. What we need to know is if your hypothalamic-pituitary-thyroid axis is functioning properly. So along with TSH, we need to measure free active thyroid hormones, T4 and T3. Regulation of thyroid hormones starts in your hypothalamus. The hypothalamus releases thyroid-tropin-releasing hormone, which stimulates thyroid-tropin cells in the anterior pituitary to release TSH. And under the influence of TSH, the thyroid produces thyroid globulin and iodinates it to create thyroid hormones. Iodine is so important for thyroid function. T4 has 4 iodine molecules and T3 only has 3. Thyroid hormone affects virtually every organ system in the body, including the heart, central nervous system, autonomic nervous system, bone, gastrointestinal system, and cellular metabolism. Essentially, thyroid hormone directs your basal metabolic rate, or how much energy you need to produce to survive. If TSH is not responding to T4 and T3 levels appropriately, the hypothalamic-pituitary-thyroid axis is dysfunctional. Besides the negative feedback system of the HPT axis, growth hormone, cortisol, and dopamine inhibit TSH production, while cold, stress, and exercise increase TSH production by increasing hypothalamic TRH release. In autoimmune or Hashimoto's thyroiditis, the immune system produces antibodies that work against the production of your thyroid hormone. Autothyroid antibodies will not come down unless you support your hypothalamus. Over the past 20 years, I've found that supporting the hypothalamus with Genesis Gold and extra sacred 7 hypothalamic amino acids will result in lower autoantibodies. And that's because it's the hypothalamus that controls the immune system. Unless it's supported, the autoimmune attack continues. We need to stop the autoimmune attack to allow the thyroid to make its own hormones. If you want to learn more about your thyroid and your hypothalamus, please join us in my free hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.